carry-on only after 55. Most travelers over 55 think carry-on only travel is for backpackers, digital nomads, or 20-somethings willing to wear the same shirt for a week. But the reality is completely different. In fact, some of the most experienced travelers in the world have quietly stopped checking bags altogether. And once you discover why, you may never wait at a baggage carousel again. Because there is one hidden advantage of traveling with only a carry-on that has nothing to do with saving money. It has everything to do with freedom. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many travelers over 55 are making the switch, and why one simple packing strategy could completely transform your next trip. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Most people assume carry-on only travel means sacrificing comfort. Less clothing, fewer shoes, no room for essentials. A stressful game of trying to squeeze your entire life into a tiny suitcase. That sounds miserable, especially if you're taking a 2-week vacation. But here's where things get interesting. The travelers who struggle the most aren't usually the people with the smallest bags. They're often the people carrying the most stuff. Think about that. Have you ever packed clothing you never wore? A second jacket, just in case? Extra shoes that never left the suitcase? Most travelers don't have a luggage problem. They have a decision problem, and that distinction changes everything. Consider Susan. She's 67. Recently retired. She planned a 12-day trip through Italy. Like most travelers, she packed for every possible scenario. Rain, cold weather, fancy restaurants, unexpected events. She checked a large suitcase. By day 3, she realized she was wearing the same few outfits repeatedly. More than half of what she packed never got touched. The suitcase became something she dragged through train stations, hotel staircases, and crowded streets. The luggage wasn't helping her enjoy the trip. It was becoming part of the work. And that's when many experienced travelers discover a hidden truth. The less you carry, the more you experience. But that's not even the biggest reason. Here's the secret airlines don't advertise. Your vacation actually starts earlier when you travel carry-on only. Most travelers think the trip begins when they arrive. Not true. The trip begins the moment you leave home. When you skip the check-in line, skip baggage drop, skip baggage claim, skip the anxiety of wondering whether your suitcase made the connection, skip the possibility of lost luggage entirely. Every one of those small frustrations quietly steals energy. And after 55, energy becomes more valuable than stuff. What most people don't realize is that seasoned travelers are often optimizing for comfort, not convenience. Those sound like the same thing. They're not. Comfort is bringing 6 pairs of shoes. Convenience is not dragging them through an airport. Comfort is packing everything. Convenience is moving effortlessly, and convenience usually wins. Now here's a surprising statistic. Airlines mishandle millions of checked bags every year. Most are eventually recovered. But that's little comfort when you're standing in a foreign country wearing the same outfit you boarded in. Imagine landing in Rome. Your luggage doesn't. Now, your first day is spent filing claims instead of exploring. Not exactly the vacation you envisioned. Carry-on travelers simply bypass that risk. And this is where everything changes. Once experienced travelers discover they can travel comfortably with less, they begin looking at packing completely differently. Instead of asking, "What should I bring?" they ask, "What will I actually use?" That question eliminates more items than you can imagine. Let's talk about clothing, because this is where most overpacking happens. Many travelers pack for fantasy versions of themselves. The elegant dinner they'll probably skip. The hiking trail they'll probably never walk. The outfit they'll wear if they suddenly become fashion influencers in Paris. Reality is different. Most people wear the same favorite pieces repeatedly. Experienced travelers know this. They build travel wardrobes around versatility, neutral colors, layering pieces, clothing that mixes and matches. One lightweight jacket instead of 3 specialized coats. One comfortable walking shoe instead of multiple options. And suddenly, 10 days of clothing fits into half the space. But here's something almost nobody talks about. Laundry. The word alone scares some travelers, yet frequent travelers treat laundry like a superpower. Not a chore, a quick hotel laundry service, a laundromat near your Airbnb, a travel detergent packet in the sink. 30 minutes of washing can eliminate the need for an entire extra suitcase. And the surprising part is that many travelers discover they actually prefer this approach. Less clutter, less stress, less decision-making. Speaking of stress, let's talk about airports, because airports become dramatically different when you're traveling carry-on only. Imagine two travelers, both are heading to the same destination. One arrives 3 hours early, checks a bag, waits in multiple lines, worries about weight limits, waits again after landing. The second traveler walks directly to security, boards, leaves the airport immediately upon arrival, same flight, completely different experience. And this difference becomes even more valuable during delays. Which brings us to another hidden advantage. Flexibility. Airline disruptions happen, weather happens, missed connections happen. When your entire trip is attached to a checked suitcase, every change becomes more complicated. But carry-on travelers often have more options. Rebook faster, switch flights easier, move through airports quicker. It's a small advantage until something goes wrong. Then it becomes a huge advantage. Now let's talk about the item most people refuse to leave behind. Shoes. Here's an uncomfortable truth. Shoes consume enormous amounts of luggage space, and most travelers wear one pair 90% of the time. Experienced travelers often follow a simple rule. One primary walking shoe, one secondary option, that's it. The extra pairs rarely justify the space. And what most people don't realize is that modern walking shoes have become dramatically more stylish. Many can transition from sightseeing to dinner without anyone noticing. That single change can free up more luggage space than almost anything else. But here's where things get really interesting. The carry-on only mindset isn't actually about luggage. It's about priorities. After 55, many travelers begin valuing experiences more than possessions. They've learned something younger travelers haven't. The memories usually come from the unexpected moments, not from the extra sweater packed just in case. But the cafe in Florence, the conversation on a train, the sunset nobody planned, those moments require freedom, not extra baggage. And this leads to a mistake many travelers continue making for years: buying larger suitcases. It seems logical. More space equals more options, except more space usually means more unnecessary stuff. Experienced travelers often do the opposite. They intentionally choose smaller luggage. Why? Because limitations force better decisions. A smaller suitcase quietly asks, "Do you really need that?" Most of the time, the answer is no. Now, if you're someone who travels frequently, this is exactly why many experienced travelers eventually invest in high-quality carry-on luggage. Not because it's fashionable, because reliable wheels, lightweight materials, and smart organization dramatically reduce travel fatigue. The same thing applies to packing cubes. At first glance, they seem unnecessary. Then you use them once. Suddenly, your suitcase isn't a giant pile of clothing anymore. Everything has a place. Everything stays organized, and unpacking becomes almost effortless. That's why so many frequent travelers swear by them. Not because they're trendy, because they work. But we're still missing the biggest benefit of all: control. Travel has become increasingly unpredictable. Flight changes, weather disruptions, crowded airports, unexpected delays. Many factors remain outside your control. Carry-on only travel gives some of that control back. You know where your belongings are. You know you can move quickly. You know you're prepared. That peace of mind becomes incredibly valuable, especially when traveling internationally. And here's an "I didn't know that" moment many viewers will appreciate. Some experienced travelers intentionally leave extra room in their carry-on. Not because they forgot something, because they know they'll probably bring something home. Souvenirs, local products, gifts. Having extra space eliminates the need to buy another bag halfway through the trip. Small strategy, big payoff. Now let's address the obvious concern. What if I need medications, electronics, travel documents, chargers, and essentials? Ironically, carry-on only travel often makes these items safer. They're with you, not somewhere underneath an airplane, not accidentally routed to another city, not delayed for 2 days, exactly where you need them. And for travelers over 55, that's a significant advantage, especially when medications are involved. But perhaps the most surprising benefit is psychological. The lighter you travel, the lighter the trip feels. There's less friction, less mental clutter, less worrying, less managing. You stop thinking about your luggage and start paying attention to your destination. That's the real transformation. Not saving baggage fees, not avoiding baggage claim. Those are bonuses. The true benefit is that your attention shifts from managing belongings to experiencing life. And isn't that the entire point of travel? To experience something new, to feel something different, to create memories worth remembering? The irony is that many travelers spend years trying to bring their entire life with them, only to discover that the best trips happen when they bring less, much less. Because carry-on only travel isn't about becoming minimalist, it's about becoming intentional. And once you understand that distinction, something remarkable happens. Packing gets easier, airports get easier, travel gets easier, everything gets lighter, including you. Now that you understand why experienced travelers over 55 are abandoning checked luggage, the next thing you need to know is the exact packing system they use to fit 2 weeks of travel into one carry-on. Because that's where the real magic begins.